Good morning.
Good morning. We talked the whole night through.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Well, good morning, everyone. It's Thursday, August the 24th, and today we're really supposed to be on the train heading home. However, we find ourselves today at Port Orleans Riverside because we missed our train yesterday. As a result, the train got rescheduled to leave today, and we were forced then to spend an extra day in Disney World. How about that? So we will not miss the train today. We're going to have a nice morning, get on that train early, and head home. See you later.
Okay, let's go, sweetie. Trusty PT Cruiser down there, waiting to take us to the train station and hopefully get on it. The grounds are quite different than over in Magnolia Bend, but it's very nice. Going to breakfast.
I'm looking forward to that.
Kathy's in the pink today.
Let me bring my compass with me, you know?
I know you need one almost. Just kind of follow the signs and they'll get you back where you need to be. And but there's a lot of twists and turns here. Oh my goodness, look who we ran into. Chris. I am unstoppable. Love it. Love it. You got one more time. Hey, you got your ears on and the tail. Yeah, I like it. I like the tail and ears. Chris, yeah. Yeah, I had one of those once, but it wasn't fake. How you doing? Imagine us still here one more time.
I know, it's like me that
It's like Groundhog Day. All right, Kathy and I both got the bounty. We got a little bit of everything here. We had this back in 2011 when we were in December. Had pancakes, eggs, biscuit, sausage, bacon, hash browns, you name it. Oh, and coffee. Gotta have the coffee.
Especially the coffee. First I drink the coffee, then I do the things.
That's right. One last little bit of shopping here before we leave. We got some headless Mickey and Minnie's here.
Port Orleans Riverside cap?
Yeah.
You have one?
Yeah, I've got one. Not sure if it's that color or not, but I have one.
So that's pretty.
And if you don't eat that, you get food at morning.
It's cute, huh?
She's still going on here. Been doing this for a long time.
It's nice. It doesn't roll the pens. It's pretty. It's a nice gift to bring back to someone.
Yeah.
Now it's time to say goodbye to all our company. M-I-C.
you real soon.
K-E-Y.
Why? Because we like you.
good. That's a good sign. Oh, okay.
Hello, last name, Tatsch, T-A-T-S-C-H. Michael, 2.
Thanks for listening.
Lane 1, all right,
Okay, thank you. 336 lane 1.
Well, it looks like we're going home, baby. All right, Kathy. Waiting for doing your nails while you're waiting for the train. How about that? Let me just talk around, see if I can get some train stuff. Not quite ready to load the train yet, but you can see the train is firing up, and probably in about a half an hour we'll be allowed to board the train. I think our car is down that way. A bunch of cars. Not sure exactly where, but probably about halfway down that corridor there. So, can't go yet, but looks like we're on time. Should be able to go pretty soon. We're in car 5242.
All aboard!
What's that? Oh, okay. Hey, we're fixing to load the train now, so I'm going to catch up. All right, think about my time.
Kathy, you're leading the way. Yeah. Hello.
See, you're going to make a left right here. You're going to head up to the top of the stairs. No, I'm sorry, make a right
here.
Take the stairs.
Make a left.
Make a left.
Third room.
First room on the left.
Okay, thank you. Open and ready for you.
Great.
Worked better if I carried it.
It did.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little too hard on the arm.
Well, it's too wide. Hi, Kathy.
Ooh.
We're in the room.
We're here.
Hey.
We made it this time. It was the longest journey.
Yeah, it took 2 days.
It was a 2-day trip, 2-day journey.
All right, Kathy.
All right, Michael.
After all what we've been through, we're on the train and heading home. Had a great time at Disney World. Already thinking about our next. Don't know when it's going to be, but it might be sooner than we
Give me
thought it might be.
Give me a calendar.
Give me a calendar, right? And a current one. All right, so here was to a very successful Disney portion of the trip, and we got to do a little bit more, which was great. So here's to the trip. Salute. Cheers. All right, as you can see, just a little bit after 4, we are rolling. So they left on time, and we'll have to see how this trip goes, but so far so good. And the sun is shining. That's great. Anyways, we'll keep you posted throughout our trip on the train, and until later, bye-bye. Okay, sweetie, they brought the salads with us. Tonight we're having chicken that Kathy had on the way down. I had pork chops, so we're both doing chicken tonight, but we're going to start with the salads. All right, let's do a toast to start the meal.
To our return trip.
Return trip. Okay, they have brought our main course of the dinner, and it's chicken. It looks fantastic, and we can't wait to get started. So guys, we're going to go ahead and do this for a while, and then we'll catch you at dessert.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. They have dessert here. Kathy has some wonderful cheesecake, and I have some vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce, which I'm about to pour all over it. This is one of their best stuff that they have as for dessert, as far as I'm concerned. But anyways, we're about to enjoy it, and I think this is it for this evening. Possibly. And
food wise, anyway.
Well, we've got about another hour and a half, right? I think they said.
It should be another hour.
Another hour?
This is 20 minutes to, almost 20 minutes to 8, so.
They said 9:03.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Oh,
But you know how that works. It could be earlier, it could be later.
Okay.
But we're just enjoying some coffee here and looking at the scenery. Right now it's trees, but we'll go by Quantico a little later. We'll get closer to our final destination, Norton. So, here we go. Hello, lady.
Hello, Lulu.
Where is Duchess, huh?
Dutch.
Where's Dutch?
Hello, baby. Hello, my girl. Hello.
Where's Duchess?
Hello, where's Dutchie?
Duchess.
Dutch.
She might be sleeping still. Duchess, so excited. Hello, Duchess. Hi.
How's mommy's girls? Hello.
Hello.
Mommy's gonna take
Hi.
a brush to you kids. You need brushing
Hey.
bad.
There we go.
You're molting.
Huh.
You kids are good
Yeah.
girls.
You good girls. Yes, you are. And lady love. Here we go.
Poor lady. Oh,
The
lady.
Duchess going so excited.